on your random purse. Stop. Get up. Nadia.
This happened earlier too. Oh, very helpful.
You don't need a whole freaking paper towel. If that gets on the floor, it's going to be
don't
mad.
put it in my mouth, Nadia.
Nadia, you're going to be a great
You're
mom.
moisturized. Oh.
What
Blake,
is that? It's
Blake,
all over
you
your
need to take
chin.
that dress off so I can rinse that out. I'm afraid it's going to stand. Naughty, quit! Stop it! She got them in her hair.
Oh.
Stop it. Now, seriously, does it take this many paper towels?
Yes.
I had to pay for these, you know.
It needs
Go
to
put
be-
this back. Stop. Go put it back. Like, go
Alright.
change into something else. Here, hold your arms up in the air.
Ow. Ah.
And see, it always goes too far. Go take your dress off so I
Lotion
can
attack.
run that underwater.
Lotion attack.
Now.
Ah. Don't.